Agoraphobia causes people to avoid places and situations where they might feel trapped, helpless, panicked, embarrassed, or out of their comfort zone. Living with agoraphobia can be very challenging. People who have this disorder deal with anxiety in actual or anticipated situations. As a result, they may not allow themselves to leave their places of comfort if left untreated. Agoraphobia can cause people to experience severe bouts of anxiety regularly. An individual struggling with agoraphobia often fears embarrassing themselves in public or experiencing a panic attack in a social setting. The fear can develop so intensely that the individual will avoid leaving their home. Even when in need of medical care, they often have a fear of leaving their house and a fear of going outside. Many individuals dealing with agoraphobia fear to be alone, leaving home, experiencing public humiliation, being in crowded situations, or being in confined places, such as an elevator, car, plane, subway, or boat. Agoraphobia not only affects the person who experiences the disorder, but it also affects their loved one, job, and social life. Now let's discuss the type of agoraphobia. Number 1. Fear of leaving home alone. The fear of leaving home is a symptom of agoraphobia that keeps a person from enjoying many aspects of life. This type of agoraphobia is a personal prison with invisible lines that cannot be crossed by the individual to keep them safe from their fears. While some will stay home to avoid having to cross a bridge, others may remain cooped up to avoid busy streets, crowded places, or being humiliated in public. Some patients with agoraphobia may only allow themselves to leave home with loved ones. However, there are severe cases that involve the inability to leave home at all because they feel that it's the only safe place. Number 3. Fear of crowds. It's an irrational fear of congregation of people and large crowds, which is an aspect of agoraphobia. Being in crowded spaces can be noisy, disruptive, and cause the individual to be so frightened that they might be unable to hear conversation with others, and their personal space will be violated. An individual who struggles with this phobia may not feel comfortable recognizing the emotions of strangers whom they are near in big crowds. This type of agoraphobia often causes an individual to avoid popular restaurants, concerts, subways, traffic, malls, and museums. Number 4. Fear of enclosed spaces. This phobia often causes people to fear being trapped in small spaces. An individual who struggles with claustrophobia will go to excessive lengths to avoid situations where they may find themselves in small spaces. Elevator, dressing room, locked room, tunnels, basement, cellars, and trains, or subways are off limits to an individual with this phobia. If this phobia individual find themselves in an enclosed area, panic and anxiety often occur. To avoid this situation, they may prefer to take the stairs rather than the elevator, even when there are numerous flights of stairs to their destination. So, if you have this phobia, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.